Configuring a POP email account with SSL in Opera Mail. This demo assumes you've already opened Opera. Click on the Opera icon to access mail accounts. Click Mail and Chat Accounts. You will get a pop-up asking you to create an account. Click Yes. You will get a new pop-up asking for the account type. Just leave Email selected. Now click on Next. Now type your real name. Type your email address. Type your company name. Click on Next to continue. Type your username, which should be your full email address, for example, username@domain.com. Type password here. Make sure you keep regular mail, POP, selected. You will be asked to enter your mail server info. Generally, on a cPanel-based server, the mail server name format is mail.yourdomain.tld. See, Opera Mail has entered that by default. To leave your messages on the server, leave this checkbox selected. When you download email in Opera Mail, a copy is still stored on the server. Also keep "Until I permanently delete them" checked, so it doesn't get deleted when you delete them in Opera Mail. Select Use Secure Connection, TLS. Select Use Secure Connection, TLS, for the outgoing server too. You may also need to change ports for the account, which we will learn in the next tutorial. Please click on Finish to continue. Congratulations! You have successfully configured a POP email account in Opera Mail. See, a sidebar has been opened. There you can see all the menu options and mail folders. This is the end of the tutorial. Now you know how to configure a POP email account with SSL in Opera Mail.